singing, and everybody be swimming, both guys and chicks. Put on your swimsuits and get your goggles too. Then jump and splashing is what we'll do. Kira's watching, inside, outside, can't Emily's watching, inside, outside, can't Thomas is watching, inside, outside, can't Alina's watching, inside, outside, can't and then there's Jabra, he's the head of the pool. Watching doing Superman, it's pretty cool. Group 2 is swimming, inside, outside, can't Group 3 is swimming. Inside, outside, Group 4 is swimming. Inside, outside, can't Steph is swimming. Inside, outside, can't sing. So take your swim test.